Hey everybody, I've got a story for you. Picture this. It's 3 a.m. and I'm waiting on some important content from an SME. The deadline was 3 weeks ago, but I'm finally getting that notification chime. I open my email and what do I find? A 30-slide PowerPoint titled Draft Thoughts, Final Maybe, TPPTX. Working with SMEs is amazing, but it can feel like wrangling a room full of squirrels high on sugar. We're diving deep into the wild world of SME collaboration. By the end of this video, you'll be speaking their language and navigating deadlines like a pro. First things first, we gotta talk about time. SMEs are busy bees buzzing between meetings and emails. Here's the secret sauce. Give them a solid 2 weeks notice minimum. Set realistic deadlines and break tasks into manageable chunks. Prioritize the essentials, the need-to-knows. Efficiency is key here. It shows you value their time and they'll appreciate you for it. Ever told an SME to just drop that into the LMS and they stare at you like you've spoken in another language? Yeah, we've all been there. The key here is clear, concise communication. Ditch the jargon, and if they hit you with industry-specific terms, ask for a translation. Make sure you're not just talking them, but actually listening and understanding their perspective. Confirm, confirm, confirm. The art of the compromise navigating conflicting opinions. Let's be real. You're going to disagree sometimes. Maybe they want to cram a whole research paper into a 5-minute video, or maybe you're all about engagement while they're all about citations. This isn't a battle, it's a brainstorm. Listen and understand their perspective. Remember that learning goal you both agreed on? Bring that back into focus. It's all about collaboration, baby. Tips, secrets from a collaboration ninja, golden rule of SME collaboration. If it's not written down, it didn't happen. Period. Keep a shared doc, your collaboration Bible. Use online tools like Google Docs, Notion, Confluence. Transparency is king in the world of collaboration. Building bridges, not walls, the power of partnership. Sometimes SMEs can be like trying to herd cats on roller skates, but with patience, empathy, and structure, you're building a partnership. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress and alignment. It's about working together to create something amazing for the learner. Remember, you got this. Go forth and collaborate. All right, my fellow course-creating superstars, it's your turn to shine. What's your secret weapon when things go sideways with an SME? Share your wisdom in the comments below. We're all in this together. If this video helped you feel more confident about tackling SME challenges, give it a thumbs up, send it to your ID squad, and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We're here to simplify your creativity and innovations. Catch you in the next one.